What's going on? Johnny Trades back with another video, and we have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. I'll start sharing my screen and make this video less than 8 minutes. So QQQ had a really aggressive sell-off down to $5.99, identifying support right around $600 today, which is pretty nice. It has been pushing up to 608, and from pushing up to 608, it kind of flatlined around this 608 resistance line. Now it could potentially break out, or we can potentially see a rejection back down to these support levels. Now, what is going on in the markets? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple things here. We're going to go over Bitcoin as well. But basically, AMD is up 11% in pre-market trading after securing a $100 billion AI chip deal with Meta. This deal significantly strengthens AMD's position in the AI chip race against NVIDIA. So if we pull up AMD real quick, we will see that it actually sold off quite a bit, right? So it pushed up very nicely, up 15% in the pre-market. Now it's only up about 8% currently, which is still pretty good, but it didn't hold that support around this 200-day moving average. It is kind of now, so we'll see if it begins to push higher, or are we going to see some more selling pressure with AMD. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, it got rejected off of that moving average, so we need to get above that to see some more upward momentum. Now, in other news, Trump threat toward Iran could push Bitcoin down to the $50,000 area. And I want to talk about that real quick. Bitcoin right now, again, sold off very aggressively down to 62,600 and then pushed up to 64,400. Kind of struggling at this point to get above that level. It still could push up higher, but we could also see this begin to sell off down to lows of 60,000 and even lows of potentially $50,000. So we're going to go ahead and put a line right around $50,000. And we can see that it has a long way to definitely go. It is very possible that it can happen. And this is due to a couple of reasons here. So let's go ahead and pull that up now. Couple of screenshots I have to show to you guys. You know, the markets also aren't doing very good because China says if the US imposes tariffs on Chinese goods, it will impose a 500% tariff on US goods. So this can definitely significantly impact the market if this does actually end up happening, which would not be good for the overall markets. Now, also, let's take a look here. Just in, odds of Bitcoin falling under 55,000 has surged past 80%. So there's now an 82% chance that Bitcoin can dip below $55,000. And I did alert the team that for the first time since, for years now, Bitcoin officially dropped below 63,000. As you can see here, 62,600. So it is an 80% chance that Bitcoin can drop below 80%. Also, in other news, Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy has just become the #1 world's most shorted stock as investors flip sentiment amid record $7 billion in Bitcoin losses. Okay, remember, MSTR is a BS company. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't sell a service. It doesn't sell a product. It literally just is technically a Bitcoin treasury. What Michael Saylor does is he does a great job by basically diluting shareholders and their position by borrowing against them at a 0% interest to buy more Bitcoin. MSTR has been selling off for quite some time. It had highs of 543, but even just most recently, July of last year at 456 to where it is now at 124 is a 72% loss in this company's overall market value. So with that said, we can see more selling pressure. Even though Bitcoin is pushing up slightly higher, it doesn't really matter, as we can see it sell off even more. Saylor's Strategy's Bitcoin position is now down $9 billion, guys. Michael Saylor is in the red, which means that is not good for a lot of these people, these crypto bros, and other people who are looking to see, Bitcoin go higher. Now it is above, it is showing signs of it curling over. It is above this 200-day moving average for the first time in a little while. So we can see some more upward momentum in the short term. But overall, I believe this thing can begin to sell off pretty aggressively. QQQ just pushed up to 608 just now, but still, again, struggling to really push up much higher than that. Kind of a real choppy day in the market to say the least. VIX index right now is at 1978. It was above 20. And remember, anytime it's above 20, the markets tend to have more probability of it selling off, and the markets become a little bit more volatile. So Bitcoin is pushing up to 64,500. We'll see if that holds or if it begins to sell off or push higher. I did trade MSTZ today. We did lock in $20. We did a great job basically just scalping this position. And I can show you my trade record right here. As you can see, I sold and locked in basically $20 right off the bat. We bought some more. I cut my losses here for break even. And then bought some more, locked in some profits, and at one point we are up $30. So I am holding a few shares currently right now. Let's see, we are only up $1. We're still in the green, but this does have the potential to push up much higher. I could always buy more shares when I see this begin to recover. Right now I have 61 shares. Potential to make about 60 bucks back to that previous resistance level of $16. If it begins to sell off, then of course I'll manage my risk and I'll get out of this position. But nonetheless, doing a great job by locking in profits, knowing when to cut my losses, and that's what it's all about, guys. So I'm excited to share this with you all. And remember, I've been trading now going on 2 years live, showing all my trades, all my trade ideas, my buys, my sells with our Learn to Earn team. They are the ones that get to watch me trade live every single day at market open for around 30 minutes to an hour. If that interests you and you want to be part of that, all you have to do is simply click the first link in the description below, and that'll give you access to our Learn to Earn team, our Discord, as well as a lot of other great resources that you can use to your benefit when you first are starting out as a beginner trader. Maybe you're an intermediate trader, or maybe you're even a little bit more advanced of a trader. It's still a great community that has a mix of traders involved. We are almost to our goal of 1,000 members in the Discord. I think currently we have like 750. So we have about 250 spots left for this free Discord. Now the Discord is going to be free forever, but we will be transferring our first 1,000 members into our paid Discord, and from there they will be the only ones that can watch me trade live every single morning. They will be the ones that will have access to the Learn to Earn Academy course, which is fantastic. That's going to be dropping now at the end of March, beginning of April, and that'll be free for lifetime. After that, you will have to pay a small one-time fee for lifetime access once we cross over 1,000 members, or whenever the course is completed later on at the end of this month or April. So get in now to unlock that free Discord spot for yourself. Thank you for your time. Like always, if you can do me a favor, smash that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. We just crossed over 500,000 views, 500,000 views. So thank you so much for you all watching, and we will see you tomorrow morning bright and early at market open so we can trade live all over again. Later, team.